Hi guys, welcome back to the Game of Trading channel, an exclusive candlestick series. This is Bhargav. Here I'm back with another vital candlestick, which is shooting star. A tiny note for beginners: must start learn candlestick patterns very keenly, and very important for beginners traders. First start learn, then earn. As a trader gains experience, he can tweak and create his own trading strategy. This takes time and effort. In the beginning, concentrate on learning and observing the charts. What is the shooting star candlestick? The shooting star is similar to the evening star. It is a bearish top reversal pattern that may appear in uptrend and warns of a possible trend reversal. Where the shooting star differs from the evening star is in the shape of the star, which in the case of the shooting star has a long upper shadow like a shooting star and no or very little lower shadow. In other words, the star in the shooting star pattern takes the form of an inverted hammer rather than a dozy or a spin top. What does the shooting star look like? As with the evening star, the shooting star formation consists of 3 candlesticks. With the middle candlestick begins the star, the first candlestick must be light in color and must have a relatively large real body. The second candlestick is the star with short real body that gaps away from the real body of the first candlestick. The star may form within the upper shadow of the first candlestick. The star implies weakness in the uptrend as the price rallied and then declined to close closer to the open price. However, the ascending gap between the first candlestick and the star closes has a bullish implication. Thus, the third candlestick is in the formation must confirm the pattern and must be a dark candlestick that closes well into the body of the first candlestick. Is shooting star and evening star are same? As with the evening star, the reliability of the shooting star is enhanced when the real body of the third candlestick gaps away from the real body of the star. The reliability of the pattern is also enhanced by the extent to which the real body of the third candlestick penetrates the real body of the first candlestick, and if the volume on the first candlestick is lower and the volume on the third candlestick is higher. How to spot resistance with shooting star pattern. The long upper shadow of the shooting star implies that the market tested to find where resistance and supply was located. When the market found the area of resistance, the highs of the day, bears began to push prices lower, ending the day near the opening price. Thus, the bullish advance upward was rejected by the bears. A resistance and exit strategy indicator. The shooting star is a candlestick pattern to help traders visually see where resistance and supply is located. After an uptrend, the shooting star pattern can signal to traders that the uptrend might be over and that long positions could potentially be reduced or completely exited. However, other indicators should be used in conjunction with the shooting star candlestick pattern to determine potential sell signals. For an example, waiting a day to see if prices continued falling or other chart indications such as a break of an upward trend line. Is there a bullish shooting star pattern? The bullish version of the shooting star formation is the inverted hammer formation that occurs at bottoms. Another similar candlestick pattern is look and interpretation to the shooting star patterns is the gravestone dozy. How do I identify shooting star candlestick? You can recognize the shooting star candlestick pattern on the chart by looking at the upper shadow of the 2 candlesticks you are analyzing and how near the open, low and closing prices are for the chosen time period. If the open, low and closing prices are almost the same, you can see a shooting stars formation that often interpreted by traders is sign for a bearish move. There are different variations of shooting star candlesticks. I am presenting you guys few backtested on indexes, Bank Nifty and Nifty 50 with the time frames of 5 minutes and 15 minutes. Short the shooting stars candlestick pack. quickly and win the trades easily. Use that information to make profitable trading decisions. My next video is about bullish engulfing. Hope you all like this video. If you are a new viewer, kindly do like and subscribe. If you have already subscribed to my channel, do like and share. If you have any queries related to the shooting style, you can ask in the comment section below. Thank you.